true.
They know what Bridget do, but Bridget line up with them. Bridget.
They gon' love me for my ambition.
Hey loves, thanks for tuning in to another video. Today I have with me, if you're not on TikTok, you have to go TikTok to watch our content. The girl will always say, TikTok, me have a question. Right? But yeah, today I have Alafia with me. We'll be rating the top Jamaican sandals company. Now, these are companies that the sandals they are manufactured or handcrafted, right? We're not talking about people who buy shoes, sandals, and resell them, right? So we're gonna go with the ones that are the most popular on social media, and we'll be rating them in terms of comfort, ease of shopping, cost, and the designs, right? So first we have Shoan collections. I hope I'm actually pronouncing it right. I'm gonna let Alafia start off with Shoan collections and just give her ratings in terms of, let's start first with ease of shopping.
So ease of shopping, them get them kind of online.
And they have a walk-in location as well.
And worldwide shipping. I design them look like this. You know where Rastaman themselves, right?
Yeah.
The one that is string too long. At least it look like it's comfortable. It look like it's comfortable to me. They look inexpensive, so I hope they are.
What would you consider inexpensive?
Seeing that them like literally
Yeah.
them can sell it for like 5-7 grand.
You know, some of them, most of the designs are leather.
Oh.
So now let me tell you that, think again how much I think it will cost you. And look at the sole. The sole is similar to another popular brand.
It's misarranged. Well, seeing that it's leather, them can probably price it at a higher cost.
I think the cheapest design would run you around 8,000 Jamaican, $50 USD based on what we're seeing on their Etsy site. And I feel like that is worth it.
It
right?
is worth it, but the one that costs. This design,
Alright, so we're going to just bring it up and show you.
Look,
it's not the most unique design.
you could have been on top and get that.
But the quality, think about the quality and the durability. Yeah. Affordability.
I give them 5 because I should have checked.
Design wise.
Then get 3.
Alright, and comfort. They look comfortable.
Yeah, they look comfortable, so then get like an 8.
Alright then. So for me, this is actually a brand that I support. I have one of their sandals. I don't think it was a simple design, nice enough. I've had that sandals from 2019, right? Still going strong, right? And I think it was like 12,000 for it. The straps may look a bit thin, but I can tell you that they're actually very durable. For comfort, I'm going to be honest with you, like similar to another popular sandals brand, persons have a tendency to say it's uncomfortable. I was telling you earlier that I wore one for an extended period of time, and my feet, it hurt me because it was one of those solid bottoms, right? Alright, so another thing I like about them is that they're adventurous with their designs, and they'll do like heels. What I love about the entire brand itself is that sometimes they'll do matching earrings and matching bags and purses, and I feel like that can help to complete a look. In terms of comfort, I'd give them a 5. In terms of ease of shopping, I would give them a 7.5. And let me tell you why. Yes, they have a kiosk that you can go and make a purchase. I went there to do my fitting to ensure that I've got the right size. Yes, you can shop online, but when I got my sandals, it came like an ordinary black bag. I feel like, for the amount of money that you're paying, and how the brand looks, I feel like the customer experience should have been a bit better. But that was 2019, so hopefully it has changed, right? You're spending money on something like this, you want to get a nice bag, a branded bag. Cost, I'd honestly say I think it's affordable, right? Being that, it's leather material, and like I said, the material is actually durable. Give them an 8 out of 10. Alright, so moving on to the girls' favorite. You cannot be an official hot girl in Jamaica if you don't own a pair of these. moving on to the famous Bridget Sandals, right?
So to be honest, Bridget, them not have an online store or whatever. I went to Bridget store once. That's before them have the new place of them.
Them actually move up here. So Bridget's people, I've seen that location for how many years, but I still see people going to the Aberdeen location. Is that actually open to the public? And when I see it, I always think of them having a little cafe area there and having one of those design walls. You know the girls that we going to pose with their Bridget bag to make it known to them. Bye Bridget. Yeah, it's
like the location though, around the store, just nice and cozy and they want to treat and stuff like that. Ease of shopping, Bridget probably get one because because why you're around in one corner with the one actually know for reach there.
the girls don't know to get there.
Why you're around in one corner, it's up, even though it's a very nice, scenic location and feel very calm and everything, but why you not have one online for Bridget for them salon? Alright, moving on to the next one. Price. To tell you the truth, I have two Bridgets, K. I'm gonna really remember the cost. So I have two of them and it's the K. The last I heard, I think the cheapest Bridget are probably close to 20,000.
I think the cheapest Bridget is 17,300.
Close to 20. The durability?
Yeah.
So you can't think, say, alright, because whatever they use to make it probably expensive, general leather or something. So it could have cheaper because $20,000 for one slippers, it could have.
Yeah, because the rose is 20 odd thousand.
I feel like them could have sold it for cheap.
So in terms of how much out of 10?
Probably 5.
5?
Yeah.
Alright, comfort.
Boy, sister Bridget, it's steep on for me. Because comfort only get like a 0.
Wow.
Or 1. I mean, Bridget look nice and cute on your foot, but Bridget is something you can wear for long. It look good on your foot.
Yeah.
If you wear it for long, you have to go down hot and it's sore.
Alright, in terms of designs.
I like Bridget designs, and for the rest of the sandals company, I just feel like them just, well, I just assume, I'm going to go try their own first, but I think that they just take Bridget design and just tweak it a bit. So for design, I'm going to get 10 out of 10 because I'm not leaving it, because it's what you're happy.
Yes, Bridget, how do I start? Back on ease of shopping. You give them a one. I've never had an experience with Bridget, so I'm just talking from based on what you've heard from people. And so I actually know both locations. So one in Aberdeen, I passed it out to them a couple of times, and the one is it Hope Road or yeah, it's Hope Road, right? So in terms of ease of shopping, I would like to see a website.
Yeah.
I always see people in the comments saying, you know, oh, you go about international shipping. That people from other Caribbean countries as well, they want to know the equivalent in US and all of them something. So ease of shopping, I feel like I maybe give them, I'm gonna say 5, right? You offer international shipping, but where do international customers go to just, imagine I want to scroll on the website after 3 one morning. So something like that would really and truly help. And I mean, I don't know what's stopping them. Bridget is a big brand. It's huge. I don't know, and I feel like I always see the discussions on Twitter talking about them in their website, but nobody out by Bridget not budging.
Yeah.
I don't know. In terms of comfort, I've personally had an experience with a friend when we went to an event and she took off her Bridget and she begged me to wear them every night just so she could put on my sandals because of how painful. You have people who beg you to wear them Bridgets for them to wear your heels. Can you imagine running from a flat sandals to put on heels? But I understand as well it's a type of the type of material that they use. It's a hard sole and it's
also for the material, like when you wear it after a while, like the sole get like it almost looks like it's dirty. You put your foot in the Bridget and you take down your footprint.
Oh yes, that brown looking something I get that. I've seen it. A lot of people sit and say, oh, you wear out the Bridget, you wear it down. In terms of like comfort, based on that, my friend, I mean, being the little that I know, I'll give it maybe a 5 again. For designs, I'd give them a 9 out of 10. I love the designs, and although it's not a lot of designs per se to choose from, the ones that they have were the bitte. I keep telling people the bitte. If you don't see me now on Bridget, is the bitte. It is really cute. I always say I want a white one. The K isn't bad as well. I love, you see the rose? You know, I love to see the rose when you go to like networking events, you know, those mixer events are just a little bit, a business launch, those types of events.
I just want to put that foot in foot because you put brother in with the rose in there.
Yeah, tell the truth. I'm yet to see somebody wear a Bridget and they look good, man.
Actually,
not true. They know what Bridget do, but Bridget line up the foot them. Bridget line up the foot them.
And it fit exactly
fit nice, man. But I love going to those events and see women in their blazer, them shirt, them jeans pants, and a rose. Rose so beautiful.
And the fork one.
Yes, I love it, but you know, actually, if you like to go foot is a bit too bright, so
no,
I'm gonna say my look like rake. It's a farmer foot, but I look like it's a rake. But my foot. But in terms of cost-wise, no, I agree with you. Yes, leather material is expensive, and you know you have persons working for you, and nobody goes into business for charity. You're going to business to make a profit, right? I wouldn't say cap the prices, but maybe cap it at 20. It's a lot of money that, you know. Yeah, we just if we could have kept the price at 20,000, but that's why when you have the sale, you know,
people buy
from after 6. No, we're not doing it.
Usually we start have some more often. Then we start some sale.
The people that want them, the people that want them money, them food Bridget. What do we want? Step in a sister Bridget.
Yeah.
So yeah, that we're wrapping up Bridget. The section. Today we'll be unboxing or unpackaging an item, actually a mini humidifier, and I got it for my work desk at home. But I thought it was the cutest thing. You know, if you've been here watching my videos, you would have known that I have a bigger humidifier for my daughter, but I wanted something very nice, very cheap, very trendy. Now they have it in different colors. You're going to see it come up on the screen, but I wanted the pink because I'm trying to be a girly girl, right? I don't know what's up with me. It comes with a USB cord. I mean, you're at your workstation, you plug it in, you plug it into your laptop, and you put it in the water. Alafia exploring them, put it back on.
Nice.
So you put it in the water, put it back down, you close it, and you plug it in. Like I said, if you have your work desk, you can plug it into your laptop, and the cord is actually long enough that you can plug it into an adapter, plug it into the wall, and I mean, you turn it on just like that. Yeah, it's really, guys, imagine this on your work desk, right? And the materials, you see how solid this part is, but then here has this little softness to it. It's really nice. It's actually a cactus. It looks, I think it would really show as a cactus if I had gotten it in green, but I wanted the pink based on the workspace. This is really cute, guys. I think you should know it. I'm gonna add the link to it in my description so you can just go and check it out. If you have a work desk at work, if you have a home office or desk set up, or even for your kids' room, this can work for your kids' room as well. Or your room, right? Alright people, so we're moving on to the third Jamaican Sandals brand on our list, which is Ruff Cutz Sandals. Alright, to be honest, some of their designs, if not most, they were inspired by Bridget, but I believe that if you're going to buy, might as well just go buy the Bridget, right? Yes, it's made from genuine leather, right? It have the similar type of hard bottom, right? But to me, those just seem like replicas. So in terms of design, I'm going to give them, would it be fair to say a 4? Or a 5 out of 10. They have a design called Simple or Simplicity, which is, to me, it's simple, but I actually like it, and I feel like a nice pedicure on your toes, going to the beach, quick supermarket run, you know, a little event, it will be cute on your feet, right? That's the saving grace for them. Yeah. In terms of comfort, based on the type of material that I'm seeing, I feel like it's going to be the same thing, like the Shoan collections or the Bridget.
So when I feel like they're not comfortable.
Yeah, that hard. But that's what helps to make the shoes last. But put a little padding, if it's even like in the heel section and to the top part of your right before your toes. Put a little padding there. But in terms of comfort, I give the others what, 5? 5 with them? Yeah, I give you 5. Anything with them? May I give you, right? Ease of shopping. I'm gonna put. I can't give them less than the 5. You want to know why? Because they actually have a physical location. Yeah. But there's no, a while ago, we were looking like on Instagram and it's going to tell to WhatsApp or, you know, what DM for prices, something like that. People, I feel like it's full time. No, post the price of this. Post the price of your products. I feel like when you post the prices, it will weed out the people who cannot afford their things, right? It's a secret club. No, it's a secret club. It has to be a secret club. But I don't want to be a part of a secret club. I don't gossip where I gossip. What is this? Put the price. This WhatsApp for price. And to me, you're giving your potential customer further work to do. Like our own work. Why you jump through so much hoops and obstacles to get to your prices? Because you said click link in bio and them something. And when you click it, it bring you over to WhatsApp. When you go to WhatsApp, you see it's a catalog, and when you click on catalog, it's one sandals over there. Alright, so for the cost, we still don't know the cost because never there, but we saw some things on sale. I think the average price, we're not talking about sale, based on what we've seen. Scrubbing through comments, yes, is $5,000. So I'm gonna be honest with you. I think I'm actually, if that is it, and based on it's like the replica of the cutaway for Bridget. If that is it, I'm going to give you a 10 out of 10 for price. No, I'm going to give you a 10 out of 10 because you have other stores that replicate Bridget brand. Yeah. And them are charge the Bridget. It's like them are charge the Bridget money. Like, hold on. Wait a minute.
Hold up. Wait a minute. It's a 22.
No, right? So I'm going to give them that. We saw that they were having sale on some items and it was what, 4,500 at 3,500, right? You're sure don't run it.
Them 0 right across the board. Cause I literally Bridget. You do not vision,
The simplicity is that it's not Bridget.
Yeah,
think
just
of
the
that.
one.
No, man, they have had a couple, but them not really.
Almost everything on me is on Instagram page just as a Bridget. A Bridget. Not really wrong that still, but I mean with the vision, with the creativity, with the
so design, how much out of it?
0.
Oh my god. Cost. How much
can get a 9 for that car.
Right, yeah, we rate nothing at the cost. We don't understand the place, no. Understand says most of replica and not stress out the people that we have right? And somebody can get a strong, durable sandals, right? For that amount, I think that's very affordable because in terms of comfort, based on how you see the design, what do you think?
If I say anything like Bridget, then we get 0 because it not come no true. I know people probably go wonder then if you give everybody 0, why you wear it? See me.
Because it's cute.
It's cute.
So what ease of shopping?
Probably a 5. Them have them store.
The physical though, I see it. But that's something when you click the link in the bio something. I'm gonna say one they get one uno singular sandals over there. No, the rough coat, we'll wrap it up. Yeah. Well done on the prices. Yeah. So we're moving on to Lucy's sandals and we're gonna make Alafia do her little run through. Let's start with design. I know you want to start with do you want to start with design?
The design, we love the designs, but after I like say, them not try a couple videos.
Yeah.
They have their own unique designs and everything just look simple and nice. All of them are 10 for design because as I said, them not try replicate no.
Yeah, man, I just jump in. You already said I give a 10.5. Yeah, super extra. Absolutely love. I need to get a pair of Lucy sandals.
I want that much.
Lucy, if you're watching this, yeah, we'll soon get to that. Ambassadors. ambassadors of Lucy Sandals, but yeah, the designs, I have to give it to you. Like,
Yeah.
so yeah, definitely. Let's move on to ease of shopping.
We cannot really, but it's gonna give them just a bit fear of 5 because as we see them in
There's no physical location. The website is currently down. On their website right now, they're telling you to check back, showing that your business is moving, but also show that you need additional either capital or investment for you to expand. Yeah, in terms of manufacturing and everything. And as opposed to Bridget, who have like a set amount of designs, I feel like they have more designs than Bridget, but all the designs to me they work. They look good. Right, in terms of comfort, what do you think?
Them look comfortable to me.
Yeah, which is, I keep trying to figure out, maybe we're really to get one because the soles are black. Yeah. Unlike the Bridget one, the color. Yeah. So, to me, the soles, like the material look like it's similar to Bridget, but for some reason it doesn't look like Bridget, like it looks like it'd be a bit more comfortable. Lucy, I'm just saying this. Just experience the sandals. So I'm going to be honest with you in terms of comfort. From what I can see, I want to please don't disappoint me. I don't want she to kill me, right? She will kill me.
Me shame. Shame and kill me.
Right? I give it a 7.5. I just want to be in a safe zone because I've never had them on my feet. I look at genuine leather to say no in terms of durability. Right, but we're talking about comfort now.
Mighty God, she might kill
Lucy is a sign that from God. That's the current goal. We need sandals. We need sandals to stop the electricity from going away. Alright, so yes, Lucy, I hope you saw the sign a while ago. So we should be ambassadors. But yes, comfort level, I did say 7.5. Right? I get myself look, I wouldn't too sure. Let us be sure, Lucy. Alright, so in terms of cost, affordability, honestly, we can't. I don't think we can comment on it because we're trying to look through some of the comment section to see if we could see prices. We didn't. The website as well. Of course, I don't even think I want to be a zero in Lucy, but I Lucy, we are look through the Instagram, but we can't find the price. Yeah, we can't. The website is not showing you the price because it's talk about that you can't move further than the page that comes up. So we can't see any prices. So I feel like we just don't have to. We can't score on price because we have no idea. And that's honestly, it doesn't give a good experience because I want to know if I can afford these. Maybe. But move on. I think this is the final one. Alright, so Jamaican Sandals Company. I think this would have been unlike like the Lucy Sandals and the Ruff Cutz. I think Jamaican Sandals Company would have been around before that. Right? I think there was a location out here one time on Old Hope Road. I swear there was a location one time. I went somewhere and I saw the sign. I was like, oh, this is where they are. I didn't go in there. I remember I saw the corner of I think right across somewhere. Jamaica Society for the Blind is on Old Hope Road. I mean, you have an online store. The prices are there. The Etsy shop they can check out and everything. So I'm going to give you a 7, just because I'm not sure of. I think that physical location. In terms of, let me just make it give them the rating. I'm going to give them for ease of shopping. So I talk about price. We have a price before. Getting to like adult size, it starts out by like $45 and so. Which for leather, and so I'm going to give it to you. I think that's affordable, right? From $199 to $110, right? Like I said, for the material and everything, for cost, I'm going to give you a 7 or a 7.5. A 6 for you. Alright. So for designs, I personally think it's for older women. You have a few designs. I might put them up on the screen. Simple and nice so the young girls can rock. Right? But most of their designs, based on what I'm seeing, I feel like this is for older women. Yes, they have some of those like designs that the Rasta men who do the handcrafted leather sandals will sell. But honestly, those old, especially like uptown women, Like you, like that nice dress or that nice shorts, like I eat them up on them shorts and that nice blouse and one them sandals. You see that people want them to be. Yes, I really feel like it's for older folks. So it's not the fact that I'm seeing that it's not for my target audience. I'm going to say for their age group and looking on their feed, in terms of their designs, I'm going to give them a 7.5. Right? Alafia, run out to the rating for the design.
But you actually cover everything because, as we say, you know, you have big open edge one day who are rich and they have tone and then hair short and then curl it up.
Yes. Yeah, and then on the handbag.
Yeah, and the handbag right there.
Yeah, right here, son.
That's
the
and then shop a price mark and then nails about.
Yes.
Man,
when them stop a sovereign, I will not have a sovereign with any matter. Yeah. Maybe can nice with the lunch at a restaurant or something around there. Oh, them kids and them have the table and them.
Oh yeah.
Rebecca. Yes. Me can't imagine them when they just look good like yeah. Step up in them on them. You know them people that person the Jamaican Sandals come and just I'm gone. Yes. I see those type of women. So how much you gonna rate it?
For them type of women, would I probably give them 8 because as I said.
But me I try to think about something for me as well. So that's why I'm jumping at 7.5. For some reason some of them soul actually look like
soft and
look like they don't comfortable.
But I feel like big one they have comfortable.
Yeah, that I can, right? So the cost and we think about durability but we didn't rate them for comfort.
We never rate them.
We never rate them for comfort.
But I give them a 9.
Really? I'd give them an 8, and this is going back to some of the designs based on the functionality and some wonder how the comfort level would be. But it's like I said, would have been like the top brands ones. If you have some other sandals brand that you know you want us to check out, if you want us to do a sandals haul as well, we can do that, right? Lucy Sandals. Right? Lucy, I'm telling you, like, you have it.
Lucy make 2 extra pair.
Lucy, like, you know when you think about hot girls and you think about Bridget, me feel like Lucy up there. Lucy, I don't know what you're going to do, but you have to go up there with Bridget, because you have it.
I understand before this, we never heard about it.
Yeah, but you see what put you on it. Lucy, influencer. Look on the influencer, get the Lucy Sandals. Come on now, look how they put her on. And this video I put on more people. I just want to take the time out to say that despite the reviews and everything, it's brand Jamaica.
Yeah.
And I feel good that it's brand Jamaica, and for majority of them being handcrafted, look here, skills it takes for that. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.